Hi friends, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Cynthia and I thank you for clicking on this video here today. So here what we have is my candles as I've been working on, and I told you guys that I'm trying to bring them down from my son's closet. So that's what I'm working on today. But today what we're going to bring down is all of the single wicks. So I figured I could show you my single wick collection. It is dark in this room, so I'm trying to use the light that basically is on my phone. So yeah, we're gonna take all of the single wicks down. You guys can kind of see them here. I don't think it should be too long of a video. I hope not, at least. So and then eventually we will work through all of the 3 wicks that are in here as well. So let's start with showing you my signature single wicks. I only have 3 right here. Others, I haven't gotten a lot of these right here. But I burnt whatever else I have gotten. So I just have one Love Always Wins, one Sweet Tea and Lemonade, which I love that scent, at least in the 3 wick. I have not tried the single wick. One Cranberry Orange Seltzer. And then let's go down. We have one iced lemon pound cake going into our regular jars that we've had for a while. The vintage one single wick that I believe was an online exclusive, white t-shirt. I need to just finish that one off because I had started it, then put it on the warmer. It's not that strong, so I should just like burn it. And then white balsam and vanilla, sea salt and neroli I got from Sass, I believe. Winter candy apple. Those I kind of have gotten for Christmas for little gifts. So I'm definitely going to have to put the Christmas ones in one crate and put them together for gifts for this year. We have rainbow confetti, a bright Christmas morning, pink Prosecco frosting. These right here I've gotten obviously like from Sass and stuff. We have iced dragon fruit tea, peppermint hot chocolate. I have 3 of those, if you guys can see right here. And I have gotten those from MOS, I believe. We have strawberry pound cake right there, one of those. We have peppermint sugar cookie there, 2 of those right there. And then we have pumpkin spice latte. I really enjoy that candle there. And bubbly rosé in a single wick, limoncello in a single wick, pistachio ice cream, which that's a hard one to burn because, that took a while to come back. So, well, honestly, this exact one didn't come back, right? It's the pistachio and vanilla or something. I don't know the name right now. So we have 1,000 Wishes, Washington Finest Apple Macchiato, fresh coconut and cotton. I think this is the one Brianna from work gave me because she doesn't like it, but I have another one that you'll see in a minute. After Dark, blueberry pie, love that one. We have poppy, sensual amber, and then pumpkin peanut brittle is one of my favorites. And then pistachio ice cream. This is the one that took a while to come back. This is the older one. Look at how it looks, the wax. Let me know if your guys's has looked like this. I should just burn this one and keep that one a little bit longer. But yeah, this one, yeah, it looks a little crazy. So I would say, I guess that's the sugar, the brown sugar. No, it doesn't say brown sugar or anything like that, but that must be the sweetness in it. I don't know. You guys let me know. But I need to leave this one out and burn it because I do love the way it smells. Fresh linen here, the clean scents. And then Inspired Love, which is rose and vanilla. I love rose scents. Garden Botanicals, Wild Lavender. This one I remember I got when I went to Tennessee. It didn't go to all the stores, but to some test stores, and I was able to visit one over there. Then we have Sugared Snickerdoodle, Balsam and Firewood, Sun-Drenched Linen. I really love that clean scent. Red, White, and Blue Cake, Sweet Whiskey, one of my favorites. Haven't tried it in the single wick though. Japanese Cherry Blossom right there. We have another Fresh Coconut and Cotton. Another pistachio ice cream, which basically looks the same as this one as far as like, having that. So yeah, leave those out and burn them. Okay, over here we have Summer Melody, Saltwater Breeze. I really love this scent. I'm using up a body cream. Anyways, Fresh Cut Lilacs. That is a super, super strong scent. If you don't like that strong lilac scent, you won't like that candle. Vanilla Noir and Lavender. I haven't tried that one, but I'm excited to. The Blue Raspberry Snow Cone, and then Firecracker Pop. And then we have One Into the Night right here, single wick, and then You're the One right there, single wick. Love it. Love, love, love it. So we have back here whipped or raspberry and whipped vanilla. I have, at least that I can see from right here, 3, and then that butterfly one. So 3 with that one right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all of these down, and then whatever is behind these, that shouldn't be that much, I will show you guys. All right, I'm just about done showing you all my single wicks. So we have, I don't think I showed you the peach Prosecco macaron in a single wick. And we have blueberry pie again, because I have another one right here still. We have Caribbean Escape. And we have Sweet Berry Peony, which I think I'm going to gift it. No, I know I'm going to gift this one to my hairdresser, the lady that does my hair. She loves anything that has peony. So I'm going to gift her that. I see her on Friday. She'll wash and straighten my hair. But Fresh Spring Morning there. And then we have, as you guys can see, Pear Creme Brulee. I really loved it, the way that one burned. I would want to keep it in my collection longer, which I will. But as far as like really single wicks being something that I keep in a collection, like the 3 wicks for a long time, it'll just be as I'm going to try to burn through a lot of my single wicks. But yeah, I'm going to try to minimize a lot of what I have by using it up. So cereal and cartoons right there. And then I had already shown you those. Those are all my single wicks that I have. This is the area that I had at least most of them. I think I have a couple up in the front, which let me go see, because I want to take all my single wicks out and I want to put them all in one place, and I literally want to use as much as possible. So yeah, let me go do that right now. Let me see if I have any more. Okay, you guys know I have like this area here where I've sat in front of to record. I want to take all my like holders out of this as well, like all holders. I'm going to use that one as a gift as well. And put them in a different spot. And I wouldn't mind just keeping candles in here, like 3 wicks. So that still will be a spot for 3 wicks here. And then we have here. Okay, so see, this is one of my favorites, pumpkin peanut brittle. I have 2 more of that, so total of 3, which I don't mind. I love this one. This one is a strong one for a single wick. So, and like I said, as I'm organizing, all of these holders will come out of here. Like, I don't want to have any holders in here. And then we have these salted caramel pistachio ones that I got from Trader Joe's. I still have 3 back there. I don't think I finished one. One's in the room. So definitely I'm going to burn it with that other pistachio one that I've already started burning right now. The pistachio ice cream one. And then this gingham basically came out of a box. I think I'm going to use it for a gift as well. So there is that one. All right, so I brought these back here just because I don't want to forget them, you know, to put them away in crates and bring everything into one spot. And yeah, so that is all that I have for you guys today. I will be going through the collection that I have here, putting all of these things in crates. And yeah, once I'm able to, I don't know if I'll be able to do it tomorrow because I have an appointment, but if I can start tomorrow, I will start that video and then I will show you guys. Again, I'm cleaning and organizing. It's what I'm doing right now. Unfortunately, I can't really get into the store because I have a lot to do at home, and I do work on Thursdays, so I will probably bring in a walkthrough on that day. But until the next one, my friends, I love you guys so, so much. Please stay blessed, guys. Bye.